everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bag segment. Today I'm so incredibly excited to introduce you to this bag. The pattern was just released today, October 1st, and it is called the Driftwood Bag by Needle and Anchor. Look how beautiful this is. I'm so excited. I am actually, for my bag makers community, I am doing a tutorial on this. It's just being uploaded right now. It will be live on my YouTube channel tomorrow, which is October 2nd, 2021, depending when you're watching this. And yeah, but I had to show this off first. So this pattern was just released today. I have the pattern linked below in the description if you'd like to go and grab it so you can sew along with me tomorrow. Let me show you some of the features of this bag. One of the most amazing things is, look at these straps. They're double-sided vinyl straps. It's so pretty. So pretty. It's got a double zip closure. It's got this really cool peekaboo decorative kind of sides. Purse feet. Hidden connectors on the inside. It's quite spacious. I would say this is about a medium to a large handbag, I guess. It's got a decorative zipper pocket on this side. It's got two large slip pockets and then two pen slip pockets on the other side. Oh my gosh. I'm just floored by this bag. It is just so incredibly beautiful. So yes, make sure to check out my tutorial as well if you want to make one of these bags for yourself, or if you would like me to make you one in your choices of colors and hardwares and everything, you know who to call. All my information is down below. Just shoot me a message there and we can get this all made up for you. Anyways, thank you everyone. See you in the next one. Bye.